Here we go, single box NOIR, PYT number 29. First one of a brand new case, 29, 30, and 31 in this case right here. Here's your teams. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for joining. Yeah, Spectra was nice last year for sure. I think I have a case of last year's Spectra arriving tomorrow. We're going to do a triple case break next week of Spectra. 13, 14, 14, 15, and the brand new 15, 16. I got the two previous years. I think they come in tomorrow. Oh yeah, big bopper style. Alright, here we go. Top. We're going to go 3 boxes here. Obviously, we're only doing 1. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the dice roll. I'm going to show you the serial numbers so when we do the next 2 boxes, you know, we're not switching boxes out and that kind of stuff. So we got 9344, 9834, and 8896. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bottom one. 6 is 8896. Feels super heavy. I think it's because the box came out of the middle. I feel like the box is down in this vicinity right here. Yeah, see that? Crazy how I could feel that, man. It's weird. Look. Whoa, redemption, whoa. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Whoa now. Alright, Jordan Clarkson, rookie for the Lakers. Case 32-23. 64 of 99. Shabazz Napier, Miami Heat, rookie. 1 Jamaz. 13 of 99. Brooklyn Nets, Joe Johnson. Bowman, 299. 35 of 70. DeMarcus Cousins, the Kings. Receding hairline has the Kings. 46 of 70. And Ricky Rubio for the T-Wolves. J-Deb 21. 46 of 70. Alright, first hit, China jersey. Patrick Beverly for the Rockets. 48 of 99. Rockets, Jesse Boglin. Nice rookie jumbo patch. Julius Randle, first one ever, 1 of 25. The Lakers. Case 32-23. Also for the Lakers, AC Green autograph. 46 of 49. Patch auto, Gordon Hayward for the Jazz, 8 out of 25. 2 colors on the push. Shawnee Boy 1010 with Jazz. Bernard King, New York Knicks, 25 out of 49. Mark Day with the Knicks. Rookie patch auto, Doug McBuckets, 45 of 99, the Chicago Bulls. 1 Jim Oz with Bulls. And the redemption. I didn't think there was any scrubs to be had on redemptions. I thought they were all the best players only, but occasionally you get one of these, I guess. Anthony Davis of the Pelicans. One goes to Snake Eyes. Auto Noir color variant. Full color picture. There you go. Congratulations. Very nice. And that is it for box 29. Box 30 will be in the store at noon Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern, Saturday the 28th of May. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Until next time. Peace.